Welcome to Devices Setup, and today we will learn how to set up any TP-Link Wi-Fi extender or repeater into an access point mode. If you don't know what access point mode is and how it provides way faster speed than Wi-Fi extender mode, then you can watch video given in the description. This video explains exactly the difference between the extender mode and the access point mode and its pros and cons. Moving forward, this video works for all TP-Link Wi-Fi extender models which supports access point mode setup. So to set up any TP-Link Wi-Fi extender in access point mode, I will first recommend you to reset it. For that, put a paper clip inside the reset hole of the extender for around 10 seconds while it is still plugged in into the wall. Now, after 10 seconds, release the pin and let the extender reboot. After 2 minutes, grab any phone or computer and go to the Wi-Fi list. There, you will find your TP-Link extender network name. This will be an open network. That means once you tap on it and connect to it, you will get connected automatically without entering the password. Next, open any browser like Chrome, Safari, or Firefox and into the address bar or URL type tplinkrepeater.net or 192.168.0.254. There on the setup page, it will ask you to create a admin login password. On the very next screen, look for the mode option on the top right hand side of your screen. Once you click on it, you will see two options on the screen, the extender mode or the access point mode. So select access point mode there and hit save settings. After this, your Wi-Fi extender will reboot, which usually takes around 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes, you will have to connect an Ethernet cable from your router's LAN port to the Ethernet port on the Wi-Fi extender. Now, this is really important. Please make sure you only connect Ethernet from router's LAN port and not from the WAN port to the extender. After this, go to the Wi-Fi list again on your phone or computer, and in the Wi-Fi list, we will again have to connect to the TP-Link extender network name. Once connected, open a browser and type tplinkrepeater.net or 192.168.0.254 into the URL as we did earlier to access the setup page. Now, this time, the extender will ask for the login admin password that we created previously. So, type that. Next, click on wireless option and type the SSID or network name and password as per your choice. So, this is going to be the SSID and password for this TP-Link extender access point that you are creating. Finally, hit Save Settings. After this, you will find your new access point network showing up in the Wi-Fi list with the name that you have created. You can connect your different devices to this network with the password that you created. Also, it is important to remember to always keep the Ethernet cable connected between your router's LAN port to the extender's Ethernet port, as this is how access point works, which also means wired backhaul. Moreover, on your screen, you can see the compatible TP-Link Wi-Fi extender models which supports the access point mode setup. So if your extender is one of them, then you can surely follow the steps mentioned in this video to get high-speed internet with access point mode. And lastly, if you found the video useful, then please do hit like and subscribe to support me and my channel. Thank you so much and have a blessed day.